Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can delete a note on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in a device. Then tap on your note. Next, you can see the option of delete note at the bottom. Tap on it. Next, tap on remove. So, this is how you can delete a note on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.